Right, so today I'm doing these telecommunication plugs. I've already done half, so there was 1.5 bottles of this. So there's about 3/4 left in there. So I'm going to weigh that. I've got an empty bottle somewhere. Let's tear that off. These scales are pretty cool. You just wind them up, give them the power, and then away you go. So let's tear this off. There you go. So it would have been double this. So that is 1,300. So there would have been about 2.5 kilos altogether. And so far, I'm going to tear this off again with a bowl. I'll show you the pins I've got out so far. Right, that's on 0. And these are all the pins I've got so far. And there is only 50 grams. So there's 50 grams of these pins. And we'll put it in nitrate after and see what we get in the way of gold. I think we'd be lucky to get, I don't even know if we get 0.5 gram of gold out of them lot. So anyway, it's 50 grams there. So there should be 100 grams when it's all done. Yeah, this is them here. So I'm basically stripping the gold plating out of them with some pliers. And this is the gold inside. So yeah. I only want to get the gold bit, I don't want to get the silver bit, so I just cut them and put them in the gold plating. So yeah, that's where I am right now. Well, I've done half of it and another half to do. And on top of it, I've caught a cold or something and I'm sweating and I've got a bad throat and not feeling great. But we're getting there. Halfway. I'll make the rest of the video when I've done the rest. Thanks for watching.